this is what the headlamp looks like now, and now you can see the scratches that I made in HD. First time I'm using the lights on road. First turn on. Holy shit, that's way brighter than the 60-watt headlamps that I used before, the Avenger headlamps. It's way brighter than I thought, man. Way brighter. You really need to see this in person, man. I mean, I can actually differentiate my headlamp from the others. My lights doesn't fade away. Damn, man, it's pretty good. I'm pretty sure this camera does pick up something. I mean, the high beams, I mean, I don't think that's that much different. But at least I can see what's in front of me now. Now to add more fog lamps, because yeah, gearbox, hook me up. Yeah, I'm kind of still blind because of using high beams on the. Just the fact that the light still remains there when I slow down. That itself, it's a good thing. Enjoy some night rides with this. Now there is a big problem. If I close the visor, I literally can't see shit. But if I open the visor, shit flows into my eyes. So it's a dilemma. Should I open it or should I close it? I mean, in both cases I'm blind. At least I can breathe a bit better when it's open. So maybe keep it open. I mean, it's not like me going fast is gonna save me. I'm not sure if I I'm not sure if anyone is able to hear me. God damn it! What's wrong with my tongue, man? What's wrong with the tongue? I mean, I clean it every day. Oh, hey, Swiggy. From the kitchen to your doorstep. Order now with Swiggy. Hey, Swiggy, I gave you a free advertisement. Pay me, bitch, pay me. Well, I'm not taking the usual way home because if I take the usual way home, I'll be pulled over once more because breathalyzer test. And damn, I don't want to be awkward explaining what the is a camera doing in my helmet's face. I mean, yeah, sure, I could say that, oh, it's a way to capture evidence for in case of any accidents, but my brain shuts down when it's necessary, so I'll be left saying, hey, what the f*** are you looking at, officer? And I'll be busted. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to do that, so let's go somewhere else. I mean, someplace else. Someplace nice. At least I know that my headlamps are on now. Wow. People faster than me. Wow, wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. People are faster than me. Oh my gosh, my ego is so hurt. Oh, I am dying. Please help me. Oh. There are two kinds of people. People who use no lights and people who use high beams. None in the middle. So even if I have a Christmas tree light used for lighting up my front, I'd still be blind as because the opposite lane people are using high beams so that they can illuminate the road a little bit better while blinding someone else and making them use the high beams. Oh, you see what I meant about the blue whale thing? Yeah, it is true. These motherfuckers kill people. And still, after all the backlash, these motherfuckers are still up and running. Maybe I should do something like no one else has done. Daily observation, like no one has done that before. No one has done that before. It's an original idea. In fact, me just saying that it's an original idea itself is an original idea. Damn man, I should be paid for this. If I was paid for all the ideas that I put forward, man, Bill Gates would be my friend. I'm expecting comments like, I like the part where you shut the f*** up. Real original. Now I shall say sayonara, bitches. Not really. Wow. Wow. This place, the headlamp works very well, really well. On smaller areas, man, it works really, really well. I think on all more open roads, it's gonna be a little bit more faded out because of obviously more area to cover. Anyways, I'm signing out now. See you later. Bye.